Right, okay. I'm going to just do a bit of an introduction. We're having to do this on a phone since it's ridiculously light in here, which is a good thing. But yeah, welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives. We are doing PPF on the new Evora by Jules Sturgis Automotive. We'll include a little link below so you can have a look. So essentially what we're going to do today is, you've already done the front end, most of the front end. We're going to do this area here. This is done, right? But we're just going to do that bit. And then we're going to do the back of the car as well. Just to give you guys a bit of an idea of how it's applied. So this is basically just to get all the dust off.
Yep, anything that might have fallen on it.
I'm getting drunk, Alex.
For an alcohol.
It's a good thing we've got PPF on that bit that you're leaning against. I'm joking. So, there it is.
Pre-cut templates.
From XPEL.
Yep. For the most part.
Yeah. Thanks, Bob. So this has like adhesive that, I guess, does it sort of only sort of take hold after it dries, or?
Yeah, the solution is just soap and water, which just inhibits the adhesive until it dries out, or you squeeze it out and then it comes in contact with the paint.
So basically you just keep spraying it to get all the bubbles and stuff out and it just sits on smooth, right?
The other solution is alcohol and water, which promotes the adhesive. Yeah, so when you need bits to stick and hold, like under here, which if you just squeeze you over with soap, they just pop straight back up again. But with alcohol under there,
And it sticks.
it sticks.
Nice.
As long as the main panel's sort of down, then you worry about the edges sort of when it's dried down a bit.
The other bits you've done doesn't even look like there is an edge.
Yeah, well that's where this has got this extension here, which
So
will then wrap down, and same here, so that's extended to then wrap under. But once all the film is on and down, the bit you see, let it all dry and then you wrap the edges, because if you wrap the edges too soon, if you push this down, this part can pop up and you end up with a bubble like that. So let it all dry and then worry about the wrap.
That's very good.
And then to make absolutely sure at the end, just give it like a really hard squeegee, because otherwise you end up with air bubbles. If you end up with air bubbles, you can't get them out again.
So this film, is it what they call self-healing, or?
This is self-healing.
What do they mean by self-healing?
Heal from small abrasions and marks, and basically swirl marks.
Right.
And about the most it'll do is if you were to get forced into a hedge and the side of the car brushed down and you get sort of the fingers from
Scratches or something.
That will generally tend to self-heal. Or if you get a bit of grit on your sponge or whatever when you're washing it, those sorts of swirls that you see in the sunlight.
And what about washing the car? Anything?
Pretty much anything goes. Really strong chemicals. You might end up hazing or damaging the top coat. It's like 16 microns, the top rubberized layer, which is the self-healing part, and it is sort of a rubberized layer, so it's not invincible. The only thing you've got to watch is exposed edges with a jet wash. So if you're jet washing, you just sort of make yourself familiar with where the edges are. Like all this wrap stuff, you're absolutely fine. You can basically point a jet wash at it fairly close. We won't go mega close, but you can go pretty close to it. But any of these edges, just be aware that they're sort of open and potentially the jet wash can go underneath them. Right. So that's what I was talking about with the sharp edges. There just aren't any. Normally we did this on a lot of headlights. You'd end up with clay pickup. But Lotus have clearly upped their game.
That's so cool.
So all these.
So you do get some idiots that cut on the car, don't you?
They have been known. It is a thing where you just lay a big chunk of film across, squeeze it all down, and then get a blade and squeeze it all around the edge, which is
Surely there's risk to damaging the car.
Huge risk to going through it. I mean, the film is 290 microns, so the difference between cutting the film and cutting the paint is nothing.
Yeah.
So there's a huge, especially, I mean, there's no reason really to do it when you've got templates that fit. It takes longer to fit, but less finishing, because once the part's on, it's on, and you don't have to, you know, that's it. You don't have to then go and cut around it all, and so you get a better finish, less risk to the car. This is just claying off to make sure there's no like bits, impurities, and watermarks, and all the rest of it. Anything the clay picks up kind of gets pushed into it.
Right. Okay.
And then it shouldn't or won't. But the clay is slightly abrasive, so it is actually. Well, you'll never notice it done in paint, but if you go over things like flies and iron deposits and stuff, it takes them off really quickly. Right. Same with
That's what I meant. Is it harder to do it because of that? Isn't it called louving?
Louver.
Louver?
Oh, I thought you said lube.
No.
I think it said lubing.
What
but
the
I thought you said lubing.
Get your minds out of the gutter, boys.
Louvers.
Okay,
Why
that's
is it so difficult to lube?
Wait.
No, because the way it's templated is all these separate bits of film.
right.
So it's difficult to do because the most difficult part is that this is concave. So trying to get the film down into there, it'll just keep trying to pop up.
How many pieces of film are there for this part?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which sometimes having more bits of film is easier because it means they're less intricate and there's less stretch, there's less messing about.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's
1.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, fine. Got it.
Sorry, Charlie can't count.
I can.
He can just about Charlie drive.
But I wasn't sure whether.
How many fingers?
4.
Charlie?
Oh, I can. Yeah, I recognise that one.
What I'm doing is just peeling out the excess of the template. There it is.
And that's it.
That is the engine colour.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Man, this car looks like a beast in here. It really does. I love it.
Does it not outside?
It does as well, but I don't know, there's just something about the light in here. It just kind of captures all the good angles. All the curves, all the shapes. So here comes the engine cover.
It's all good. Thank you.
That's
So
very
those,
cool.
those bits are already starting to look like they're going to be a bit of a pain.
Bit of a pain, yeah.
So you can see how much of a bridge there is there, and
Yeah.
you've got to try and get that to go down to there without this moving and that. So it's
Right, yeah, it's
not
quite complex.
the easiest.
Yeah. Looks good though. Alex, stop distracting him. Oh man, so much fun. Hey, we need to organise another road trip.
Yeah,
Don't we?
instantly. I'll take this.
Yes, you can.
It's my car.
That's his reward. That's what we discussed, wasn't it, Jules? Instead of cash, you could just take this for the weekend.
Just the weekend. What about the
Nice.
My car.
Your car.
fight for it?
Oh, yes. Not exactly 1 week later, but
On and off.
yeah, it is 1 week later, but not like,
Not solid work.
yeah, not solid work.
Not like 10 o'clock every night.
yeah,
Just
yeah,
most
yeah.
nights.
But it's done, looking good. Do you want to talk me through the custom stuff that you've done?
Yeah, I mean most of it's templated with the X-Well templates. There's a fair bit of modification to make everything possible wrap. So it's the lights and the front and rear of the bumper, the roof, the rear, the engine cover, all wrapped under, and then custom templated door kick plates and the carbon sort of, what do they call them? Tunnels?
Cannons?
The rear carbon
Yeah.
cannons out the back are all custom templated because we didn't have templates for
Should we
those.
go have a look? You can't even, and this is all tucked in underneath, so you can't even tell that it's been...
Yeah, everywhere you can get to underneath the panel,
Yeah.
and you've got decent, shiny lacquer or
Sweet.
shiny paint to stick onto is wrapped under.
Yeah. And then these are the cannons we were talking about, under there, looking amazing. Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
All right, mate.
Honestly.
It was a learning curve. I did another one that wouldn't be as bad. It's only that I wanted to go massively overboard.
Yeah.
Not a millimetre of that's cut on the car.
Yeah.
Well, obviously this stuff is cut mid-air to then wrap under.
Yeah.
But not a millimetre cut on the paint.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So the car's got PPF now. Very, very pleased with the job Jules has done. And it also just provides that little bit of extra peace of mind in terms of, you know, especially this time of year, the leaves are falling from the trees and stuff. So just like, you know, a little bit of extra peace of mind that the car is going to be protected. It makes a difference when the car is brand new. I'm really happy with the job that he's done fitting the custom templated PPF to the cannons, which are at the back behind the rear wheels, because I could see that they were going to get really, really badly scratched. They were just sort of gathering, like, especially when it's just parked on my driveway, it was just gathering all sorts of stuff. There were little stones in it. So that's, you know, little things like that make me feel a lot better about just, you know, having it there, having the PPF in place, protecting the car, doing exactly what it needs to do. So just to give you an idea, I've got the front is all done, the roof is done, and the engine cover is done, as well as those little elements on the cannon, as I was sort of saying. We've also done little things like the little kick plates down here. They've been, because they're all carbon fibre as well, so they've been covered up, because I can imagine those over time getting scratched up a little bit. Definitely check out Jules Sturgis Automotive. I'll leave the details, I'll leave a link to his website down below in the description. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. There will be a more in-depth video on this car coming up. It's just the weather's been a little bit poor recently, so I've had it for about a month now. So it's only done 200 miles, so still very much in that running in stage. Watch this space for future videos on the car. Really loving it still. Such a special thing having a brand new Lotus Evora GT410 to pretty much daily drive at the moment, as I'm still having problems with the Boxster. So not quite going to plan that car. Might get a little bit fed up with it, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. See you for the next video. Take care. Bye.
Oh Go,